Good evening everyone, this is Sakshi from Color Canvas and today I am here at All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society to attend a group exhibition by Artlune curated by Vikas Garg. It is a group exhibition of 18 artists where different artists from different parts of the country exhibiting their artworks. So we are going to take a round of this exhibition. So come with me at All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society. So at Color of My Soil, Astha Khanna joining us. Here, I would like to welcome Astha Khanna.
Hi,
Hi, friends. How are you feeling, Astha?
I'm feeling very good.
So tell us something about your artworks and your style.
So these pieces are from my Bukija collection. I actually came up with this collection during the lockdown and COVID because I was sitting in my garden every day and overall, yeah, this is everything I observed, all the feelings I had, how I was feeling at the time, how I was falling in love with all the details of the garden. So that's basically how I came up with this collection.
How is your experience going with Vikas Garg?
Oh, it's very good. He's very good. He's very, very good. He helps me out a lot. And he's been a real help for sure.
Thank you so much, Astha, for giving us help.
Thank you.
So now joining us, Kripal Mathur. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society. And how are you feeling about this exhibition, Color of My Soil?
I'm really liking this whole exhibition and the concept is also very nice because everybody, all the participants have been able to, express themselves in their own way. And I thought the color of my soil is a very good theme because everybody can express themselves in so many ways. Like if you look at my work, if you look at this one, now when I started this thinking about this color of the soil, I suddenly went back to this poet, Baby Shelley, who is, so he has written this poem, Ode to the West Wind. And there he talks about the power of the wind. So wind again is part of earth and soil and everything. And here, there he talks about how much of power the wind has, which is blowing all the clouds, And so that is the kind of feel that I've got over here. And my other work also has a lot of, hope in it. Because the poet also talks about if winter comes, can spring be far behind? So there's always hope, for, happiness. If there's degeneration, there is new growth, happiness, something new being born. So I sort of always take my inspiration from that. Even if you see, these kind of works also, you will see that the backgrounds are showing a lot of depth of whatever the environment is all about. And in spite of that, there is so much of life in these flowers. And I brought it out through color. And again, I want to show hope. That in spite of all the degeneration around, there is hope. You can see over here, there's so much happening. But then again, there's this bright thing that comes out. So, these are my etchings, which I do. And that one, which I've done with the clouds, that one is wet felting, which I do with animal wool. And then it is washed with soap and hot water, so that it all becomes like a blanket. So it's like a non-woven fabric. And I'm a textile designer from NID, so I think my medium is really textile art. And I thought that's the best way to express myself is to use fiber, use fabric, and even these I've used fabric dyes. And just like a printing process, but then this is done by hand and with no brushes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us at Color of My Soil.
It's been wonderful. Thank you.
So this was all from my today's visit at Color of My Soil at All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society. There are total 18 artists exhibiting at this art exhibition. So do visit Color of My Soil, curated by Vikas Garg and presented by Artlune. All the details are in the description below. Please hit the like button, share this video and visit Color of My Soil. Thank you.